In fire school, one of the very first things they instill in you is safety. Safety is very key in keeping your crew safe and making sure everyone comes home at the end of their shift. One of the most important safety devices firefighters use is the SCBA. This piece of safety equipment lets us breathe non-toxic air when in an oxygen-deprived atmosphere and helps keep carcinogens from entering our respiratory system. In this demonstration, you will learn background information on the SCBA, the equipment that is used for an SCBA, and what steps are used in donning an SCBA. Some of the background information on an SCBA, and this is from my own knowledge, an SCBA stands for Self-Contained Breathing Apparatus. According to Fire Rescue 1, in 2018, 499,000 structure fires were reported. In these structure fires, these SCBAs are very important. This helps us to breathe air in the smoke-filled environment. National Fire, Inc. says that our bottles, these are composite bottles, need to be tested every 3 years, and they have a service life of 15 years. Fire Rescue 1 also said that our face masks need to be tested every 2 years. Fit tested every 2 years. So when we wear this, there's a seal on the back. And that seal goes to our face, and if it doesn't seal properly, then it's going to let smoke and other carcinogens and everything else in, so we don't want that. Some of the material that we're going to need in this demonstration is going to be structural firefighting gear. This is going to be my bunker coat. These are going to be my bunker boots and my bunker pants and gloves. And this is going to be my structural firefighting helmet that I wear. We're also going to need a SCBA backpack harness and the air bottle. And on this harness, we also have a pass device that is built on. And then of course we're going to need the face mask. Okay, this is going to be the procedure for donning a SCBA. Now, with the SCBA, the first thing we need to do is we are going to inspect our bottle, our tank, and everything else. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check our bottle pressure. We want to make sure our bottle pressure is good, which it is. We want to physically make sure that this is tightened, and it is. Okay, and then we've got our valve here. We want to make sure that all of our straps are good and loose, which they are. And then we want to check also on our face mask that all the straps are loosened and we've got a good seal and that the strap is connected. So the first thing we want to do when donning, or second thing we want to do when donning our bottle, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn this on. We heard the low pressure alarm go on. We're going to open the bottle up, make sure it's all the way open. We heard that. That is our pass device. So now our pass device is operational. So now that we've got our pass device on, we've got everything else ready to go, we're going to go ahead and don the SCBA. Now donning just means to put on. So we're going to go ahead and don it, have it on our back. We're going to pull these straps up, the chest straps. We're going to go ahead and tighten our waist straps up. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to tighten our chest strap up. So we have all that. We're going to check our lapel pressure gauge again, showing that we have good pressure here. And also we see this green light flashing that tells us our pass device is activated. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we are going to check the mask, again making sure all of our straps are open. We're going to take this strap, this just holds it in place, put it over our neck. Then we're going to go ahead, and it might be a little hard to hear me, I'll do my best. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pull our chin straps first tight. And then we're going to go ahead and pull our temple straps tight. We're going to do a steel check. We got a good seal. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our respirator. Or I'm sorry, regulator. Now that I've added the regulator, I'm now breathing out air. Then we're going to go ahead and take the regulator off. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to loosen our face mask back up. In this demonstration, you were shown how to don an SCBA. This was for demonstration purposes only and not for training use. You must be trained according to NFPA standards to use this equipment in firefighter activities. You learned some background information, the equipment involved in donning an SCBA, and the procedure in donning the SCBA for use. SCBAs save firefighters' lives and give us the ability to work in harsh environments in order to save lives and protect property. Thank you.